2026 Dodge Durango SRT by Renegade Design is the absolute apex predator of the three-row SUV world. While the rest of the market drifts towards silent electric commuters, this custom build stands its ground as a chaotic masterpiece. Renegade Design has taken the factory brawler and given it a suit of armor that demands attention. We're looking at a complete aerodynamic overhaul, featuring a menacing carbon fiber hood that looks hungry for air. The custom front splitter, the aggressive side skirts, and those wide-body fender flares create a stance that is simply unignorable. Slide into the driver's seat, and the aggression translates perfectly to the cabin. You are immediately hugged by heavily bolstered, demonic red Laguna leather seats designed to hold you in place during high-G cornering. The dashboard is anchored by a crisp 10.1-inch touchscreen running the Uconnect 5 system. It is wrapped in forged carbon fiber accents that scream performance. It is luxurious, but clearly built for battle. But just wait until you see the footwear on this beast. To pull off this aggressive, wide-body look, the factory rollers just would not cut it. Renegade Design has fitted this monster with massive 24-inch forged wheels that fill those flared arches to perfection. Combined with a lowered suspension, the stance is absolutely magnetic, looking fast even when it is standing still. If you live for high-performance American muscle, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now so you never miss a release. But the real question is, does it have the power to back up these looks? Under that vented hood lies the heart of a legend. We are talking about the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 Hellcat engine. This power plant pushes out a bone-crushing 710 horsepower. It launches this family hauler from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds, making it a legitimate supercar killer. Getting behind the wheel of this custom American juggernaut requires a serious wallet. For a brand new, top-tier Hellcat donor model, we expect this to land right around $113,000. That is a steep price, but you are paying for the ultimate expression of internal combustion dominance. This is not just an SUV, it is a rolling declaration of war against the mundane. Thanks for watching.